Well, that's 2025 done and dusted, and Gold Hive Originals have hit the ground running in 2026, with many projects being worked on. The following footage shows some assembly of our extremely popular Mini V 12 Oro Shaker Table. This following clip shows some processed ore being run over the table, and watch the way the material falls from riffle to riffle. Absolutely mesmerising. Gold Hive Originals strive to make prospecting accessible to all. This is the main motivation driving the development of the Micro Oro Shaker Table. The micro table is going to be affordable, very portable, and we hope part of the average Gold Prospectors kit.